What's good, everybody? What's good with you? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I got here a skin from Slickwraps. Now, I ordered this skin a while ago, and took a pretty long time to get here. The one thing about Slickwraps, I have to say, is they have the biggest, most unique set of skins. So many options. I mean, there's really not enough time to just break down everything they have on their menu. They got the retro look, they got the iWrap series, they got marble, camo, you name it. They got wood. They actually have thick materials made out of hemp. I mean, they just have so big of a selection. They literally blow out any rival skin maker. But there's one problem with Slickwraps that ticks me off every single time, and it's the amount of time it takes for them to send you a skin. It is ridiculous. It is unfathomable. It is amongst many of other words that I can think of, the way they put you through when it comes to getting your skin. If there's anybody out there who has had my Slickwrap skin troubles, leave your story down in the comments down below. Slickwraps, if you check this video out, if you can get that together, you by far can blow out D-Brand or any other company out there that's making skins. But until then, until you guys can kind of get your act together, this might be the only Slickwrap video I might do for a while. But anyway, I got the iWrap series. Every time you go to Slickwrap, there's always a nice sale. So there's a chance if you go there, as of the making of this video, they have a 50% off of all their skins. There's no code needed. You just pretty much just go there and pick out the skin you want. So let's open this up. Again, I went with the iWrap one. They do come with just the back cover, and they got one that covers the side. I went with the back only cover. There's some other things that was inside that I kind of took out. Here's the other one that covers the side. I didn't know they sent that to me. Wow. All right. And you get a nice little wipe down thing for the back of your phone. Let's get the iPhone out and let's get this skin on so I can show you how it looks. All right, got my iPhone. What you can do is make sure your phone is clean and free of debris, lint, or anything that may cause a bubble on the back of your phone. You can wipe down your phone using their nice microfiber cloth if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for effect. I think when I bought this particular skin, it was somewhere around, I think it was $24. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, it was. I had a discount on it. It was somewhere around $24 or something like that. And I used the discount. You get points whenever you buy a skin. And I use some of my points to get it the price lowered. You will need some type of hot iron. I'm doing this behind the camera. Bring it a little closer to me. Camera bump. Okay, make some little adjustments. Yeah, that went on pretty good. Now I'm going to take a actual hair dryer, go around the edge, and I'm going to show you the finished product in 1 second. So here's pretty much the finished product. I put the little camera thing on there. After going around the edges with a hair dryer to help the glue adhere, you rub it down You pretty much go 15 seconds all the way around, just going to a circular, just to heat it up a little bit. Use the microfiber cloth to seal it down. And once you've done all of that, what I would recommend is find a nice clear case, put the case on, and rock it out like that for a little bit. This is their iWrap series, kind of give you that nice little vintage see-through look to it. This does come in a variety of colors. I think it has a green, a red, this purple, and a blue. So if you like this video of the Slickwraps for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. They also, before I cut out of here, do skins for PlayStations, tablets, Androids, almost every Android under the sun. Go there, see if your phone is on their list. And if you want to take the chance and get a Slickwraps, by all means, go through their vast array of skins. I'm quite sure you will find something there to tickle your fancy, but don't expect to get it fast. Anyhow, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.